Welcome to Part 8 of Unity Connect training. This video only applies to those with Vitros instruments. We recommend that you move on to Part 9 if you do not have Vitros instruments. As we learned in Part 1, Unity Connect can capture data using different methods. Other videos in this series explained how to transform data using the data file method. This video covers the remaining methods. We recommend that you move on to Part 9 if you are using the data file method. Understanding how Vitros slide generation numbers are handled is important, as this affects the process that you'll use to transform your data. Some Vitros instruments can produce QC data streams that contain slide gen information. Unity Connect is able to use this information to automatically process slide gen changes. However, imagine a case in which Vitros data flows into an LIS or middleware. While a user may see the slide gen information in the LIS or middleware, it may not be included in a QC data stream. This means that there are two different processes for handling Vitros data. Let's start with a case in which slide gen information is included in the stream. When using the serial data stream method, Unity Connect typically transforms data automatically. However, the process is slightly different for streams that contain Vitros instruments, but no slide gen data. For an existing test, begin by setting up the new slide gen in Unity Real-Time. Return to Unity Connect and click the Configure button. Navigate to the Config Gens tab. Select the test with the new slide gen number. Click the Add button. Enter the date and time that the change to the new slide gen number occurred. Select the new slide gen number. Click Save and Close. Click the Watch button. Unity Connect transforms the QC data into a Unity-friendly format, and it's ready to be imported into Unity Real-Time. Continue your training by viewing Part 9.